वर्षा, लता, सुषमा हो या करिश्मा, आज हर दिल का ख्वाब इस मंच पर हकीकत बनेगा जब वो एक सर्वगुण संपन्न मोहतरमा बनेगी। FPB Colors Femina Miss India 2018. Give it up for none other than the handsome Ayushmann Khurrana.
How are you guys doing? Put your hands up in the air.
लगदी पंजाब दिया जिसे सांप न चल दिया, ओ लगे गुजरात दिया जिसे सांप न हंस दिया, ओ लगे महाराष्ट्र दिया जिसे सांप न तक दिया, ओ लगे आसाम दिया जिसे सांप न नच दिया। ओ यारो पता करो कौन बनेगी या मिस इंडिया, ओ यारो पता करो कौन बनेगी या मिस इंडिया। ओ लगदी दिल्ली दिया, ओ लगदी गोवा दिया, दिल्ली दा नखराया स्टाइल ओदा वखराया, बॉम्बे दी गर्मी वांग नेचर ओदा अतराया। इंडिया तो आई लगदिया जिसे सांप न चल दिया, इंडिया तो आई लगदिया जिसे सांप न चल दिया। कुड़ी दा पता करो केड़े पिंड दिया केड़े शहर दिया, ओ यारो पता करो कौन बनेगी या मिस इंडिया। ओ लगदी सिक्किम दिया, ओ लगदी केरल दिया, ओ लगे हरियाणा दिया।
Ladies and gents, designer sarees and tight pants, welcome to the most beautiful multiplied by 30 state winners, the most glamorous multiplied by 2 gentlemen, and the most fun multiplied by 100 crore audience, Bali Night of the Year, FBB Colors Femina Miss India 2018, co-powered by Sephora and Rajnigandha Pearls.
आजकल की हमारी लड़कियां कुछ भी कर सकती हैं, कुछ भी, और हम एट मिस इंडिया बड़े गर्व के साथ सेलिब्रेट करते हैं इस मल्टी फैसेटेड वंडर वुमन को आज इसी वक्त इस स्टेज पे।
वंडर वुमन से याद आया, स्पाइडरमैन once said, with great power comes great responsibility. मिस इंडिया सिर्फ एक पावरफुल टाइटल नहीं, एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है। पर हमारी लड़कियां कब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी से डरी हैं?
Absolutely. Global phenomenon Priyanka Chopra से लेकर कैन की क्वीन ऐश्वर्या राय,
Scintillating super talented Diana Hayden से लेकर the ever so lovely evergreen Yukta Mukhi.
और 2017 में 6th time Miss World title इंडिया के हिस्से में आया है, which, ladies and gentlemen, is a world record along with Venezuela.
Of course, हमारी former Miss Indias ने दुनिया जीती है और देश के लिए सम्मान भी। और 2017 में तो Miss World साथ साथ मिस्टर वर्ल्ड का टाइटल भी इंडिया को मिला है। इट्स अ लैंडमार्क अचीवमेंट क्योंकि ऐसा ब्यूटी पैजेंट्स की दुनिया में पहली बार हुआ है। तो इसी बात पर बुलाते हैं द लेटेस्ट एडिशन टू द लिस्ट, जिसने 17 साल बाद मिस वर्ल्ड का टाइटल फिर से इंडिया को दिलवाया है। मिस इंडिया जो बन गई मिस वर्ल्ड 2017, द वन एंड ओनली मानुषी चिल्लर।
किसी को मेरा शौक है, किसी को मेरा है मुझे जवानी कहते हैं मुझे, है मेरे आशिक हर जगह। हसीनों का दीवाना जमाना कहते क्यों, बुरा है दिल लगाना।
You look gorgeous tonight, मानुषी। सबसे पहले मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूं कि आप जहां भी जाती हो, क्या सच में लोग आपसे छुट्टा मांगते हैं, मानुषी चिल्लर?
Oh God, Ayushmann, it's not like that. She's a chiller. She's not like chiller.
उस लॉजिक से आयुष्मान तुमसे सब डोनेशन नहीं मांगते विकी डोना?
बचपन से
सही पकड़ा उसने। और क्रैक करो ये चीप जोक्स तुम्हारे। Very good, well done. Manushi, you tell me, what does it feel like? This amazing feeling of being Miss India, Miss World. क्या feeling है आपकी?
I don't have words for the feeling. but the last 7 months have been dynamic. I have learned so much. जितना मैंने शायद 7 सालों में नहीं सीखा होगा उतना मैंने 7 महीनों में सीख लिया.
वाह.
The next question for you is, जब तुमने वो मिस इंडिया का क्राउन पहना था, तुम्हें यकीन था कि तुम मिस वर्ल्ड भी जीतोगी?
The moment the Miss India crown touched my head, I knew my eyes were on the Miss World crown. I didn't know if it was happening or not, but I knew that I did deserve to win it.
30 स्टेट विनर्स से एक्सपेक्टेशंस तो बनती हैं, बट हम देसी बॉयज सोने मुंडे होस्ट को देखकर इस शाम से क्या उम्मीदें हैं तुम्हारी?
ऐसे लॉन्डो को तो हमारे यहाँ भैंसे भी नहीं देखते.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
अरे सुनिए ना, हमका भी हरियाणवी सीखनी है ससुरा.
करण, दैट्स भोजपुरी.
ओह.
और तुम्हें क्यों सीखनी है हरियाणवी यार?
अरे जस्ट इमेजिन यार, आयुष्मान हरियाणा से आई है इस साल की मिस वर्ल्ड. वहां और कितनी अनएक्सप्लोर्ड ब्यूटीज होंगी. अगर उन्हें कास्ट करना है तो उनकी लंगवा, क्या बोलते हैं, लंगवा बोलनी पड़ेगी ना.
ओके, सो लेट्स डू दिस.
भाषा.
हम कहेंगे कुछ हिंदी में, मानुषी ट्रांसलेट करेगी हरियाणवी में, और करण करेंगे रिपीट.
मैं ओके.
बड़े बड़े देशों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती है.
बड़े बड़े देशों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहे. वैसे
ये एक ही वर्ड बदल दिया तुमने.
एक ही वर्ड चेंज हुए हैं यहाँ पर, ये तो चीटिंग है यार.
भरोसा नहीं है करण तो गांव में आ जाना, लाठी ना पड़वा दी तो नाम बदल दियो.
वाह. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, हमारी छोरी छोरों से कम है क्या?
तो मानुषी, जाने से पहले कुछ फाइनल एडवाइस हमारी FBB कलर्स फेमिना मिस इंडिया 2018 की कंटेस्टेंट्स के लिए.
To all the 30 contestants back there, remember this is your night. It's not for the audience, it's not for us, but it's for 30 of you. So live this moment, be the happiest, and be yourself. Everyone is watching you, and all the best.
Whoa! हम सबको ये भी बता दें that Miss World 2017 Manushi Chiller, ladies and gentlemen, is also one of our prestigious judges tonight. पिछले ईयर की मिस इंडिया से तो मिल लिया, अब उनसे मिलते हैं जो इस साल की मिस इंडिया को बनाएंगे.
मतलब सारी लड़कियों के पेरेंट्स से. प्लीज वेलकम.
ओहो, नो यार, जो मिस इंडिया को जज करेंगे, क्राउन करेंगे, द जजेस.
ओह, जजेस.
हाँ.
ये वो लोग हैं जिन्हें इंट्रोडक्शन की जरूरत भी नहीं है, पर पैसे लिए हैं तो वादा निभाना पड़ेगा. प्लीज वेलकम आवर जजेस फॉर द नाइट.
All right, let us begin with some cricketing charm, ladies and gentlemen. The very talented, cool and flamboyant KL Rahul.
The elegant and dynamic Irfan Pathan. The most stunning and glamorous Malaika Arora.
The super talented actor Kunal Kapoor.
The fabulous Faye D'Souza.
The handsome Bobby Deol.
Designer Gaurav Gupta.
Give it up for the judges, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, please take your seats. Thank you so much for doing the honors.
और अब अपने दिलों पे हाथ रख दीजिए और आंखें जरा मसल लीजिए. इंडिया के हर प्रदेश से, कोने कोने से, divided into 4 zones, presenting for the first time tonight the 30 state winners of FBB Colors Femina Miss India 2018, co-powered by Sephora and Rajnigandha Pearls.
हमारी 30 स्टेट विनर्स यहां परफॉर्म करेंगी अपने अपने होम स्टेट के डांस फॉर्म्स और उन्हें लीड करेंगी none other than the magnificent, the queen of dance and emotions, the ultimately beautiful Madhuri Dixit Nene.
Woo!
ma pa 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 ma ga re sa sa re re sa ga ga re ma ma ga pa pa ma da da ma ni ni da da ma pa da ma da ni da ni da la
डांस, नृत्य, नाच, रक्स एक ऐसा जज्बातों का रास्ता है जो सीधा दिल की मंजिल तक पहुंचता है। आज यहाँ इस लम्हे में हमारे 30 फाइनलिस्ट अपने अपने प्रदेश के जज्बात आपके सामने बयान करेंगे अपने डांस और एक्सप्रेशन से, क्योंकि इससे बेहतर इजहार और क्या होगा।
कंटी बिग बैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा ओ कटो नचे बैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा
Adri Dixit, ladies and gentlemen, and our 30 contenders.
मूविंग ऑन, जैसे फुटबॉल में मैनेजर होते हैं, क्रिकेट में कोच होते हैं और फिल्म स्टार्स के बच्चों के लिए करण जौहर होते हैं, वैसे ही फेमिना मिस इंडिया 2018 के 30 स्टेट विनर्स के पास हैं उनके अमेजिंग मेंटोर्स। नॉर्थ जोन की मेंटोर फायस्टी, द डायनामिक और मेरी दोस्त नेहा धूपिया। और अब साउथ जोन की मेंटोर, द स्टार ऑफ लोकेयम एंड किक 2, द वर्सेटाइल एंड वेरी ब्यूटीफुल रकुल प्रीत सिंह।
ईस्ट की बारी, मिस इंडिया 2009, Miss World semi-finalist, the gorgeous model and actor with a global appeal, Pooja Chopra. Finally, पश्चिम की तरफ रुख करते हुए, West Zone की mentor, supermodel actor, rising star, and a true blue Indian beauty, Pooja Hegde. अरे पूजा, where is the rest of you?
बाहुबली प्रभास के साथ शूटिंग कर रही हूँ।
ओहो, तुम आ जाती तो मैंने सोचा थोड़ा फिल्म साइन कर लेते हम।
तो मेरे साथ करो ना फिल्म साइन।
पूजा का कार्डबोर्ड मास्क तुमसे ज्यादा ब्यूटीफुल है, इसीलिए आयुष्मान। So here they are, the firepower, the inspiration and the driving force. हमारे FPB Colors Femina Miss India 2018 के 30 state winners के beautiful mentors.
Mentors पुराना, ये है नया जमाना, presenting Women Tour.
FPB Colors Femina Miss India 2018 के seasoned, experienced women tours.
और अब है हमारे 30 स्टेट विनर्स को फिर से देखने का वक्त, और उन्हें देखते देखते वक्त कब निकल जाता है पता ही नहीं चलता।
Ladies and gentlemen, FBB has partnered with ace designer duo Pankaj and Nidhi to create an exclusive evening wear collection showcasing dramatic patterns in contemporary silhouettes, making for a bold and beautiful ensemble. The collection was styled by Malini and Accessories by Loop India Store. Let's give a huge round of applause for our 30 state winners.
Introducing contestant number 1, Anna Claire, a product designer and national gold medalist in 10-meter air pistol shooting from Punjab. Contestant number 2, Gayatri Bharadwaj, a dentist and a national level football player from Delhi. Contestant number 3, Himanshi, a student of pharmacy from Uttar Pradesh. Contestant number 4, Malika Kapoor, an electronics and communication engineer from Jammu and Kashmir. Contestant number 5, Meena Ahir, a model from Madhya Pradesh. Contestant number 6, Meenakshi Chaudhary, a dentistry student and a state-level swimmer from Haryana. Contestant number 7, Sumita Bhandari, a fashion designer from Uttarakhand. Contestant number 8, Swati Thakur, currently pursuing her graduation in electronics and communication from Himachal Pradesh. Contestant number 9, Bhavna Jain, a national level gold medalist in roller hockey from Bihar. Contestant number 10, Lily Darne, a model from Mizoram. Contestant number 11, Mamita Deb Burma, an engineering student from Tripura. Contestant number 12, Mary Heriam, a mass communication student from Meghalaya. Contestant number 13, Nimrit Kaur Ahluwalia, a law student from Manipur. Contestant number 14, Osin Mosu, a Bachelor of Arts student from Arunachal Pradesh. Contestant number 15, Spandana Palli, a model and a national level volleyball player from Chhattisgarh. Contestant number 16, Parmila Chetri, a graduate in Bachelor of Arts in Tourism from Sikkim. Contestant number 17, Prarthana Sarkar, a student of political science from West Bengal. Contestant number 18, Rofujano Wizo, a high school student from Nagaland. Contestant number 19, Shrutiksha Nayak, studying journalism and a fitness trainer from Odisha. Contestant number 20, Steffi Patel, an actor from Jharkhand. Contestant number 21, Sunena Kamath, a model from Assam. Contestant number 22, Ashna Gurav, a media consultant from Goa. Contestant number 23, Anushka Lohar, a student of cell and molecular biology from Gujarat. Contestant number 24, Mehak Punjabi, a graduate of business management from Maharashtra. Contestant number 25, Nikita Soni, student of Bachelors of Science in Fashion Designing from Rajasthan. Contestant number 26, Anukriti Vas, studying Bachelor of Arts and a state-level athlete from Tamil Nadu. Contestant number 27, Bhavna Durgam, a medical electronics engineering student from Karnataka. Contestant number 28, Dr. Kamakshi Bhaskarla, a general physician from Telangana. Contestant number 29, Meghna Shajan, a BTech student from Kerala. And contestant number 30, Shreya Rao Kamavarappu, an architect by profession and district-level basketball player from Andhra Pradesh. Ladies and gentlemen, with a huge round of applause, let's welcome the designer who created this magic, Pankaj Ahuja.
We would like to thank our sponsors, starting with FBB, carrying forward the legacy. FBB, India's fashion hub, has come together with Miss India organization to look for India's next pride. FBB is ecstatic to be the title sponsors of the pageant 5th year in a row.
For the past 6 years, the pageant has been in a strategic alliance with Colors to achieve maximum mileage for the pageant.
Co-powered by sponsor Rajnigandha Pearls, our silver-coated elaichi with a true fusion of great taste and freshness that will entice every taste bud.
The pageant is co-powered by Sephora, the unparalleled international beauty leader with an amazing selection of beauty brands. 30 state winners, साथ में रहना, train करना, perform करना, by the end of it, जीते कोई भी, पर बन जाती है सारी एक दूसरे के वीरेस.
I know, friends सुना है, BFF सुना है. What is वीरे? वीरे क्या होता है?
अरे BFF is old bro. वीरेस is the new cool. और इसको cool बनाने वाली है मेरी best वीरे.
The ultimate diva, the fabulously stylish, beautiful and classy.
वीरे दे वीर, none other than the super stunning Kareena Kapoor Khan.
ਵੇਖ ਕੇ ਜਗ ਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਭੁੱਲ ਜਾਵਾਂ ਨੀ ਦੱਸ ਦੇ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਗੱਲ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸਮਝਾਵਾਂ ਨੀ ਉਹ ਅਬ ਤੂੰ ਛੱਡ ਦੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਜੋ ਹੈ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਨਖਰੇ ਕਿਉਂ ਕਰਦੀ ਐ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜੱਜਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਸਵਾਲ ਕਰਦੀ ਐ ਨਾ ਮੈਂ ਸੁਣਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਰ ਦੱਸ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਤਾਰੀਫਾਂ ਚਾਹੀਦੀਆਂ ਤੈਨੂੰ
Everybody getting hot in the party. Come on, stop feeling. Dance, dance, everybody. Dance, dance, everybody getting hot in the party. Come on, stop feeling. Dance, dance, everybody.
पकड़ की queen मैं था पूरी सो हसीन मैं था मेरी है कैसा चलता फिकर है का कैंट मेरा ठुमका एक्सीलेंट मेरा ग्रूवी ग्रूवी हो जा मेरे साथ
मचांगे सारी रात सोनियों वे नचांगे सारी रात सोनियों वे कर लो थोड़ा सा प्यार सोनियों वे कर लो थोड़ा सा प्यार
नचांगे सारी रात सोनियों वे नचांगे सारी रात सोनियों वे कर लो थोड़ा सा प्यार सोनियों वे कर लो थोड़ा सा प्यार
पहली बात तो ये जो तू टिकटॉक टिकटॉक चलती है माना ये सारी तेरी हाई हील्स की गलती है रुक तो जा तू है गौर ये तो बता तू है कौन कहाँ से आई है कहाँ को जाएगी पागल लड़की मुझे मरवाएगी
एक रिक ढूंढके पे सौ तालियां तेरे जब लक मेरा हिलती है बालियां अबे गुंडे मुंडे रहंदे मेरे आगे पीछे
हाई हील दे नचे तू बड़ी गच्चे हाई हील दे नचे तू
नचांगे सारी रात सोनियों वे नचांगे सारी रात सोनियों वे कर लो थोड़ा सा प्यार सोनियों वे कर लो थोड़ा सा प्यार
During this stay with us, our state winners were judged across various attributes. Let's take a look at the sub-contest winners.
The first sub-contest category is FBB Miss Fashion Icon, and the winner is Lily Darning. Kara Miss Vivacious, and the award goes to Mamita Deb Burma. Rajnigandha Pearls Miss Goodness Ambassador, and the winner is Shreya Rao Kamavarappu. Sephora Miss Glamorous Look, and the award goes to Gayatri Bharadwaj. Geo Miss Popular, and the winner is Gayatri Bharadwaj. Bata Miss Ramp Walk, and the award goes to Meena Ahir. Triumph Miss Body Beautiful, and the winner is Anna Claire. Natural Salon Miss Refreshing Beauty, and the award goes to Mary Heriam. Senko Gold Miss Shining Star, and the winner is Prarthana Sarkar. Dr. Twacha Miss Photogenic, and the award goes to Minakshi Chaudhary. Reliance Digital Miss Tech Beauty, and the winner is Ashna Gurav. Blossom Kochar Aroma Magic Miss Glowing Skin. The winner is Prarthana Sarkar. INIFD Miss Talented, and the award goes to Mary Heriam and Prarthana Sarkar. Cox and Kings Miss Getaway Goddess, and the winner is Spandana Palli. Kodak Lens Miss Spectacular Eyes, and the award goes to Gayatri Bharadwaj. Ulrich D. Varens Miss Lifestyle, and the winner is Mehak Punjabi. Giselle Miss Active, and the award goes to Himanshi. Rajnigandha Pearls Miss Beautiful Smile, and the winner is Anukriti Vas. Bennett University Miss Iron Maiden, and the award goes to Lily Darnay. Renaissance Mumbai Miss Congeniality, and the winner is Osin Mosu. Geo Mebhi Miss India 2018, and the winner is Rinki Gurnani from Bilaspur.
Congratulations to all sub-contest winners. And a special mention to Geo Main Bhi Miss India contest, जिसने दिया आम जनता को मौका to participate and to feel like Miss India. और इसे जीता है बिलासपुर की रिंकी गुरनानी ने. Congratulations to her as well. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome once again our favorite, the amazing and enchanting, and she performed so beautifully tonight, the gorgeous Kareena Kapoor Khan.
करीना, मैं तैमूर का बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ. बिल्कुल माँ पे गया है.
Well, I have to agree with that. Okay, ठीक है, खाली पेपर दे दो and I'm going back to London tonight. I'll get his autograph because he's there.
वाह.
जब बड़ा हो जाएगा तब.
But actually, there's a long line.
Anyways, Kareena, before you go, इस बार की 30 state winners आपसे कुछ पूछना चाहती हैं, बस इंस्पायर होने के लिए.
Okay, sure.
And let's have a look.
हाय मैम, मेरा नाम मैरी करीम है. आप बहुत ही फिनोमिनल एक्ट्रेस है. अगर आप एक्टिंग के अलावा कुछ और प्रोफेशन चूज करती तो वो क्या होता?
Well, I'd like to be the CEO of Dharma.
I think तुम ऑलरेडी अनऑफिशियली हो चुकी हो धर्मा की सीईओ. ये कम लोग जानते हैं कि बेबो हर डिपार्टमेंट के अंदर घुस जाती है, चाहे वो उस फिल्म में हो या ना हो. उस फिल्म की कास्टिंग, बजटिंग, स्ट्रक्चरिंग, जो भी है, फाइनेंसिंग बस नहीं करती तुम बेबो. तुम फाइनेंस भी कर लो धर्मा प्रोडक्शन को, मैं बहुत खुश हो जाऊंगा.
नहीं, उतनी औकात नहीं है हमारी.
Next question. Let's move on to the next question.
Yes.
हेलो करीना मैम, मेरा नाम स्पंदना पल्ली है और मैं आपकी एक्टिंग की बहुत बड़ी फैन हूँ. मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है, आज के इस डिजिटल वर्ल्ड में जहाँ सोशल मीडिया हमारी लाइफ का पार्ट बनते जा रहा है, आपके एब्सेंस का कारण क्या है?
But how do you know I'm not like secretly on
नहीं,
it?
मैं जानता हूँ कि
Are you
आप
there
और
secretly?
आप
I'm just gonna leave it.
ये मैं शायद ये खुलासा करना चाहूंगा कि रणबीर कपूर और करीना कपूर दोनों स्टॉकर्स हैं. स्टॉकर्स, वो एक्चुअली उनके ऑफिशियल अकाउंट्स आप शायद नहीं जानते, लेकिन वो है. वो फेसबुक चेक करते हैं, ट्विटर चेक करते हैं, इंस्टाग्राम चेक करते हैं. बस उनके जो हैंडल्स हैं उनका नामो निशान किसी को नहीं पता. राइट?
That's amazing.
Love it. I love being like incognito.
Just like in life, you're having your cake and eating it too, right, Bebo?
Well, I guess so, Karan.
लास्ट क्वेश्चन आपकी तरफ ये रहा.
हाय करीना मैम, मेरा नाम स्टेफी पटेल है और मैं झारखंड से हूँ. मैं बचपन से आपकी बहुत बड़ी फैन हूँ. इनफैक्ट मैं जब छोटी थी तो मेरे पास एक पूरी डायरी थी जिसमें सिर्फ आपकी पिक्चर्स थी. तो मैं जानना चाहती हूँ कि जब वी मेट में जो आपका कैरेक्टर था गीत, तो आप अपने लाइफ में भी बिल्कुल गीत जैसी हैं या थोड़ी डिफरेंट है?
यार अभी भी
मार ना डालूं इसको, इसने कहा बचपन से मैं आपकी फैन हूँ.
करीना का अभी तक बचपन चल रहा है.
हाँ, ये कोई सवाल है पूछने
ये क्या
का?
है?
I don't think I'm like Geet at all. Geet was slightly rebellious, slightly reckless. I think I'm quite sorted and very practical.
Thank you so much, Kareena, for
Thank
these
you,
priceless
Kareena.
answers.
The wonderful and witty Kareena, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for Kareena Kapoor. Thank you, Bebo. Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time for our next round. This collection is a goddess collection of gowns and bearing silhouettes inspired by the Indian sari, which sculpt the body form in many different ways, celebrating the women of India. The clothes are abstract drapes in a very fluid form, sculpting the woman's body with an underlying theme of the drape of the evergreen, beautiful sari of India.
The ladies will don exclusive, lightweight silver jewelry with Swarovski crystals and gold jewelry studded with diamonds from a jewelry partner, Senko Gold and Diamonds. Let's welcome our ravishing ladies once again.
Now whatever you wear, babe, you can make the whole room stare. But you know that my favorite is when you're rocking that this is way. Whatever you wear, babe, you can make the whole room stare. But you know that my favorite is when you're rocking that this is way. Ooh, your little black dress, it don't do it for me, you know how to impress. Just give it to me, no jeans, no dresses, no tees, no. My queen, she's in a sari, yeah. Now keep it busy, like you're in Delhi. You gotta rep the team, shawty. I know the next that matters me, you should be checking, cause I wanna make you my Rani. Rock with me. Now keep it busy. stare. But you know that my favorite is when you're rocking that This Is Swag. Ooh, your little black dress, it don't do it for me, you know how to impress. Just give it to me, no jeans, no dresses, no tees, no. My queen, she's in a sari, yeah. Now keep it busy, like you're in Delhi. You gotta rep the team, shawty. I know the flexing matters me, you should be checking, cause I wanna make you my Rani. Rock with me.
Ladies and gentlemen, with a huge round of applause, let's welcome the designer who crafted this ensemble for these state winners, Gaurav Gupta. Let's now call on stage the woman who took up the arduous task of shaping the contestants into supermodels. It's none other than the show director, Miss India organization, Annu Ahuja.
Now it's time to announce the winner of FBB Miss Beauty with a Purpose. Beauty with a Purpose was created by the chairman of the Miss World organization, Julia Morley, in 1972. Hundreds of millions of pounds have been raised and donated to local and international organizations to aid disadvantaged children of the world over. Please give it up for Julia Morley, who has touched the lives of millions of people with her amazing humanitarian work.
And now, to announce the winner of FBB Miss Beauty with a Purpose, may we invite on stage Prachi Mohapatra, CMO FBB and Mr. World 2016, Rohit Khandelwal to do the honor.
And the winner is contestant number 26, Anukriti Vas.
The winner receives a style wardrobe from FBB.
Her project is about Agni, which is about right to education to all and to run an NGO which helps educate the underprivileged children. At the same time, she is helping to run an orphanage with 30 kids and helping 30 transgender to study and to stay and live on their own in society in Tamil Nadu. Congratulations, my dear.
Top 12 के नाम बताने से पहले, we have a sub-contest winner, FBB Miss Multimedia. ये वो contender है, जिन्हें social media पर सबसे ज़्यादा appreciate और support मिला है. FBB Miss Multimedia की winner gets a direct entry into the top 12.
Whoa! Direct fast track into the top 12. So this is a special announcement then, Ayushman. And to do the honors, may we please invite on stage Nupur Bhattacharya, Chief Ethnic Wear Designer, FBB, and Sana Dua, FBB Colors Femina Miss India United Continents 2017.
And the winner is contestant number 30, Shreya Rao Kamarapu.
The winner receives style wardrobe from FBB and, of course, direct access to the top 12. Congratulations.
और अब वो नाम जो अगले राउंड में जाने वाले हैं.
We have so many gorgeous girls and we're about to announce the final 12. We already have one, Miss Multimedia, जो direct top 12 में जा चुकी हैं. And now, here goes. Our first semi-finalist is contestant number 13, Nimrit Kaur Ahluwalia.
Our second semi-finalist is contestant number 15, Spandana Palli.
Our third semi-finalist is contestant number 12, Mary Cream.
Our fourth semi-finalist is contestant number 19, Shutiksha Nayak.
Our fifth semi-finalist is contestant number 10, Lily Darnay.
Our sixth semi-finalist is contestant number 20, Steffi Patel.
Our seventh semi-finalist is contestant number 6, Meenakshi Chaudhary.
Our eighth semi-finalist is contestant number 26, Anukriti Vas.
Our ninth semi-finalist, ladies and gentlemen, is contestant number 2, Gayatri Bharadwaj.
Our 10th semi-finalist is contestant number 27, Bhavna Durga.
Our 11th semi-finalist is contestant number 1, Anna Claire.
And our 12th semi-finalist is the obvious one because she won the direct entry to top 12. She won FBB Miss Multimedia, contestant number 30, Shreya Rao Kavarapu.
Congratulations, girls. Congratulations. And a huge round of applause for all the girls. Thank you so much. You girls are amazing. Each one of you a winner in your own right. Thank you. What a proud moment of glory.
पहले हजारों, फिर 30 और 12 और इनमें से टॉप 5 चुनने के लिए हमको करना पड़ेगा कुछ सवाल जवाब। होस्ट बने दोस्त।
आगे लाइफ में बहुत सारी सिचुएशंस ऐसे आएंगी जो आपके पेशेंस और टफनेस को जरूर टेस्ट करेंगी। बस तो हमारे सवाल उन्हीं सिचुएशन से कनेक्टेड हैं।
तो शुरू करते हैं।
We would like to call
contestant number 10, Lily Darnay, Miss India, Mizoram.
Lily, all right, are you ready for us? Since you have won the FPB Miss Fashion Icon, who do you think is more fashionable between Ayushmann and me?
I think both of you are very stylish, and I like both of your style. It's really great. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
एक है producer, एक है reproducer.
You both are a fashion icon for
always.
everyone.
Thank you, Lily. Thank you so much.
Fantastic.
मुझे
All
लगा
right.
हर एक aspiring actress की तरह आप भी करण जौहर का नाम लोगे, but thank you so much.
All right, and here's your question, Lily. Who would be your fashion icon amongst the judges and why?
Among the judges, I choose Malaika Arora, ma'am. Yes, he is truly a fashion icon for everyone. Her style defines her personality, and she is comfortable in what she wears, and whatever she wears, she flaunts everything, and that's why I love Malaika ma'am and her fashion. Thank you.
Lovely.
Malaika, thank you for flaunting everything.
Thank you, Lily, for your honest and your candid answer. Thank you.
Our next contestant is
contestant number 1, Anna Claire, Miss India, Punjab. What is that one social menace that you'd like to shoot out of Indian society and why?
The one social menace that I would like to shoot out of the Indian society is intolerance. I think all of us are becoming more and more intolerant of each other. So I would urge everybody to become more accepting of each other, more tolerant, and spread love so that we can make this world a better place to live in. Thank you.
Wonderful. So beautifully said, Anna. Thank you so much.
Now we have the next contestant, contestant number 2, Gayatri Bharadwaj, Miss India, Delhi.
Should one use artificial means like cosmetic surgery to enhance one's appearance?
Well,
I believe that artificial surgery is something that is used to enhance your beauty. And it's all about personal choice at the end of the day. So if somebody feels comfortable and if somebody feels that there's a need to make them look different and better, then absolutely. Thank you.
Honest and candid. Thank you, Gayatri. Thank you very much. May we please request contestant number 6, Meenakshi Chaudhary, to join us.
And your Miss India question is, what incident or activity in your life has influenced you the most?
Situation or something that I had to go through that changed my life completely was when my father passed away this year. I think that was the moment that made me realize about how important it is to pick yourself up, gather yourself together and move on, because time does not wait for anybody and so does life. So that is one thing that I learned from it. Thank you.
Like they say, har pal yahan ji bhar jiyo, jo hai sama kal ho na ho. Thank you. Thank you so much, Meenakshi.
Next up is contender number 12, Mary Hiriem, Miss
Mary.
India Meghalaya.
Are you ready, Mary?
Yes.
All right. There's something about Mary, I've always known it. What difficulties, Mary, do you think a small town girl faces when she moves to a big city?
I think the exposure is one thing, because the city life and the town life is totally different. And me being here, I realized I've just got out of my circle and expanded my barriers. So I think that everyone once in a while should push their limits, because you break through barriers, and I've broke my barriers being here.
Well done. Well done, and thank you so much, Mary. Thank you for breaking barriers, and thank you for moving beautiful mountains like you have to be here on this stage. Thank you, Mary.
Next up, we have contender number 13, Nimrat Kaur Ahluwalia, Miss India Manipur.
What is your perspective, your viewpoint on capital punishment for rape?
I believe that we as a country, we believe that people can turn a new leaf and they can change. So even for a heinous crime like rape, I would say capital punishment should not be there. Simply because if a juvenile commits a rape, I believe that if we have the right resources, we have the right infrastructure, we can change them and we can turn a criminal into a better human being. Thank you.
Well said, Nimrat. Thank you so much. Thank you very much, Nimrat.
Next up, we have contender number 15, Spandana Palli, Miss India Chhattisgarh. At such a young age, you have learned classical dancing. You are an expert in volleyball and modeling.
Yes.
Classical dancing is all about grace and form. Volleyball is all about strength and teamwork. Which of these qualities you identify more with?
I think both things are important, because from sports, it develops a strong personality and give confidence. At the same point, classical dance, which I learned Kathak, it gives grace and a more of expression. So I think both are important in everyone's life. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Spandana.
Thank you, Spandana.
May we please request contender number 19, Shrutiksha Nayak, Miss India Orissa, to join us. Shrutiksha, we've heard you have been a part of many dance reality shows. And so the question is simple. Who is your favorite television show judge?
Okay, so I think my guru, she's Mandakini Jana. So definitely I would choose her to be the best judge, because she's the one. Before I'm such a versatile dancer right now, she's the only reason. So I would definitely choose her.
Now it's time for your Miss India question.
Yeah.
Do you think that six-pack abs are the new definition of fitness?
If you think you look fit having abs, it's beautiful. If you think you look beautiful and fit without abs, it's your choice. So I think it depends upon people and their perception of how they look at it. Thank you.
I agree with you. I think I look best without them. Thank you.
इनमें कोई ऐब नहीं है.
इनमें कोई ऐब कुछ नहीं है. तुम चुप रहो.
Next contender is number 20, Steffi Patel, Miss India, Jharkhand.
Do you think winning a beauty pageant gives you an advantage in the Indian film industry?
Well, I believe beauty pageant makes you very, very strong as a person. You get a voice to talk, you know, people hear what you say. So I think why only the film industry? It makes you strong for every field you choose in your life. Thank you.
Thank you, Steffi.
Next up, we have contender number 26, Anukriti Vas, Miss India, Tamil Nadu. So, Anukriti, you have won Beauty with Purpose. So, maybe know for what cause did you win it, and what is the purpose behind choosing your project?
My Beauty with a Purpose is called Agni. It's the education to all the underprivileged children. And the other main topic I've chosen is the transgender education. Because when it comes to the topic of transgender, humanity is dying in our country is what I feel. I had a friend who was a transgender in my school, and now I don't know where she is. So that touched me the most, and that is why I wanted to help the transgenders. And now I'm proudly helping 30 transgenders in their education and their lives, and I'm very proud of it. Thank you.
That's amazing. Thank you. Coming to your Miss India question, what is your source of strength?
My mom is the source of strength, of course, because my mom is a single parent. The last time I saw my dad was in my 2nd grade. Even though she had a lot of struggles, she has always given me the best and still toiling hard to give wings to my dreams. And what else can be an inspiration?
Wonderful.
Amazing, Anukriti.
And she's now, you know, when the other people are like, why is your daughter doing modeling? And she's like, check Google, bro.
Wow. Give it up for Anukriti. Thank you so much, my dear. Thank you. God bless. Can we please invite contender number 27, Bhavna Durgam, Miss India, Karnataka. So, Bhavna, urte khabar humne suni hai that you're an engineer. Technical interaction type of question. This is, how does an induction motor start?
I'm not a mechanical engineer, I'm a
induction-
medical electronics engineer.
Okay, okay.
You're a medical insurance engineer.
Electronics engineer.
Medical electronics engineer.
Yes.
So how does a stethoscope start?
Well, we don't design.
This is your question, jokes aside. Your dream is to build a school for underprivileged children. How do you plan to take that forward?
Mainly, I would like to start an NGO to raise funds. And along with that, I would also like to launch an app where you can have volunteers coming in and volunteering to teach the children and also to raise the funds for the children. Thank you very much.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. And finally, could we please invite on stage contender number 30, Shreya Rao Kamavarapu, Miss India, Andhra Pradesh. Shreya, here comes your question. We have learned that you've written a thesis of significance of infrastructure to support the cause of autism.
Yes.
What is the reason, Shreya, that you chose this subject?
So architecture and autism, a lot of people do not relate both, but I've seen my aunt who has a child who's autistic, and that reminded me of how I used to visit her school, and I realized how learning spaces, even for us, even in schools, it's very important to have a good learning environment for anyone to grasp studies. So for autistic kids, it's more difficult. So my whole point of making architecture for autism was to help these kids grasp easier and to make their lives a little bit easier from my end, from an architect's point of view.
Wonderful.
Thank
you
you.
so much, Shreya. Thank you
Thank
for
you.
all the wonderful work you do.
Thank you
and
so
all the
much.
best for tonight.
Thank you so
You look
much.
gorgeous and you're lovely. Thank you. Well, fabulous answers, ladies and gentlemen, from our top 12. Host बने दोस्त round के results जब reveal होंगे, उनके साथ ही वो 5 नाम भी पता चल जाएगा जो अगले round तक जाएंगे.
A big hand for our 12 contestants, ladies and gentlemen.
Our pageant has been collaborating with Keto since last year. Keto, a 5-year-old crowdfunding platform co-founded by the actor Kunal Kapoor, Varun Sheth and Zahir Edenwala.
Our 30 state winners have collectively raised total of 30 lakh rupees. And from amongst them, Shreya of Andhra Pradesh has raised the highest amount, which is around 8.5 lakhs, to become the winner of this entire fundraiser. And therefore, the entire raised amount shall go for the winning state, Andhra Pradesh.
Sorry, Ayushman, तुमने try तो किया, but you're out of the race.
Don't be selfish, Karan, क्योंकि मेरे पास वो है जो सबकी धड़कनों को रेस करवा सकती है.
वो जहां जाती है अपनी मुस्कान से लोगों का दिल और अपनी sensuality उनके होश चुरा लेती है.
Presenting the superstar, the firepower, the charismatic, the always jovial Jacqueline Fernandez.
Tonight is not about me. It's not about you. आज की शाम है उन मिस इंडियाज के नाम जिन्होंने मिस वर्ल्ड बनकर इंडियन फ्लैग को एक ग्लोबल प्लेटफॉर्म पे लहराया, जीत लिया दुनिया का दिल और रिस्पेक्ट भी. वो है ब्यूटीफुल और परफेक्ट.
Here we go.
Check this out.
Crazy Kiare.
राम चाहे क्या राम चाहे रीना चाहे रीना चाहे राम, इन दोनों के राज में दुनिया का क्या इनका तो फंडा है सिंपल सा यार, गोली मारो तो पंगा, आंख मारो तो प्यार. रख पॉकेट में घोड़ा दे घोड़े को लगाम,
What a performance. Mind is equal to blown by the superstar Jacqueline Fernandez, ladies and gentlemen. करण, मैं कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ. अच्छाई की एक अलग ही चमक होती है. हम में से हर कोई, स्पेशली ये यंग लड़कियां, हमारी 30 स्टेट विनर्स, इस शाम के बाद भी अपने साथ लेकर चलेंगी एक अच्छाई की झलक और मोहब्बत का पैगाम. इस बात से फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा कि कौन जीतता है और कौन हारेगा, क्योंकि जिंदगी के सफर में और दुनिया की आंखों में इनकी अच्छाई का नूर हमेशा चमकेगा. A huge round of applause for all our lovely ladies. Now we can have our top 12 semi-finalists back on stage, please.
सर झुका के कर सलाम है शाम शानदार, आसमां से आ गिरी है शाम शानदार.
We have 12 stunning achievers on stage today, 12 finalists. A huge round of applause to each and every one of them. दिल थाम के रखिएगा, क्योंकि अब हम अनाउंस करने जा रहे हैं. Here are the names of the top 5 finalists of FPB Colors Femina Miss India 2018.
The first name is contender number 20, Steffi Patel.
Our second finalist is, and it is Kavan Ayushman. It is contestant number
26, Anukriti Vas.
Third finalist, ladies and gentlemen, is none other than
contender number 6, Meenakshi Chaudhary. The second last name for top 5. Our fourth finalist is contender number 30, Shreya Rao Kamavarapu.
our final finalist is contender number 2, Gayatri Bhardwaj.
Congratulations, girls. Our top 5 finalists are here. A huge round of applause for the rest of the girls. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you, girls. Thank you. Give it up for our final 5, ladies and gentlemen.
And now, our top 5 girls, आपके और Miss India के क्राउन के बीच में बस अब एक सवाल का फासला and then judges का फैसला.
आप 500 से एक कॉमन क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा. At any given time, बाकी की 5 फाइनलिस्ट को हेडसेट पहनना है, जिसमें आप म्यूजिक सुनेंगे ताकि आप दूसरों के जवाब ना सुन सके. The final question, ladies and gentlemen, is sponsored by Bennett University, a multidisciplinary institution set up by the Times of India Group, offering programs in engineering, law, management, and mass communication. The first contestant to be asked the question is contender number 2, Gayatri Bhardwaj.
Gayatri, the question for you is, who is a better teacher in life, success or failure? जिंदगी में बेहतर शिक्षक अथवा अध्यापक कौन है, हार या जीत, जय या पराजय?
Thank you, Ayushman, for the question. I believe that success is something that comes naturally to you when you have your heart set out on a goal. Winning or losing does not matter. Success teaches you to keep your head held high, and failure
at the same time pushes you to do better and achieve and go get those goals. Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys.
Could I please request contender number 6, Meenakshi Chaudhary.
For me, in my life, I've had so many experiences of failure and success. Success taught me what it feels to be on the top of the world. Failure is that one thing that makes you understand the importance of what success and achieving your goal in life is all about. And for me, I personally believe failure is the better teacher in life, as it relates and makes you understand what success means to you. Thank you.
May I now call our third finalist, contender number 20, Steffi Patel.
Life is all about learning. And be it success or failure, everything is important in life. And when you fail, you fall down. You take back all your energy, you get up. You get up strong and you fight and you succeed. And to be successful in life, to reach to a better height, failure is really important so that you learn, reach the biggest height, and that's how life it is. So I think both of them are really important. And yeah, thank you.
And now may I please call on our fourth finalist, contender number 26, Anukriti Vaz.
I would say failure is a better teacher, because when you get continuous success in life, you'll feel contented at a point and your growth will stop. But when you get failures continuously, the soul will have the fire in you and you'll keep working hard until you reach the goal. Not even a single person was there to support me other than my mother, and I feel only the failures that I've gone through, only the criticism that I've gone through had brought me up as a confident and independent woman in this society. And experience is always the best teacher, and that is what I can tell you. So keep trying. Though the failures might haunt you, the success will wish you. Thank you so much.
And finally, we please invite contender number 30, Shreya Rao Kamavaram.
Journey is the better teacher in life. Definitely success and failure are the outcomes, and we definitely learn once we get to it. But I think journey is what teaches you, and definitely I think once you fail is when you get up and reach the goal. And definitely someone who fails will definitely be successful one day because he's learned what's the best.
Thank you, girls.
Thank you.
Exit that way.
Thank you, girls. Give it up for our finalists, ladies and gentlemen.
Big hand for all these 30 contestants, ladies and gentlemen. और अब मैं स्टेज पर बुलाना चाहूंगा उन 3 विनर्स को जो अपनी ग्लोरी और टाइटल हमारी इस साल की विनर्स को पास ऑन करेंगी.
Please welcome, ladies and gentlemen, FPB Colors Femina Miss India Intercontinental 2017, Priyanka Kumari.
FPB Colors Femina Miss India United Continents 2017, Sana Dua.
And Miss World 2017, Manushi Chillar. And for the final time, may I please request the 5 finalists, FPB Colors, Femina Miss India 2018, to please step forward.
वो घड़ी आ गई है जिसका सबको बेसब्री से इंतजार था. May I request FBB Colors Femina Miss India Intercontinental 2017 Priyanka Kumari to step forward for the crowning. So ladies and gentlemen, the FBB Colors Femina Miss India 2018 second runner-up is
Second runner-up is contender number 30, Shreya Rao, Kamavarapu. May I now request FBB Colors Femina Miss India United Continents 2017 Sanadua to step forward for the crowning.
Ladies and gentlemen, the FBB Colors Femina Miss India 2018 first runner-up is...
Ladies and gentlemen, first runner-up is contender number 6, Meenakshi Chaudhary. We have reached the crowning moment of this spectacular evening. This is the true bona fide moment of the year. May I request Miss World 2017 Manushi Chillar to step forward for the crowning.
So ladies and gentlemen, the FBB Colors Femina Miss India World 2018 is...
Contender number 26, Anukriti Vas.
Go for it, girls. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Three winners.
The FPB Colors Femina Miss India World 2018 and the runners-up receive the checks on behalf of BCCL and Miss India organization.
And now we would like to invite Anuja Bhotia, Chief Western Wear Designer, FBB, to do the honors.
FPB Colors Femina Miss India World 2018 receives a style wardrobe from FPB worth 1 lakh of rupees. The runners-up both receive a style wardrobe from FPB worth rupees 50,000 each.
And now we would like to invite Mr. C.K. Sharma, Business Head, DS Group, to do the honors. FBB Colors Femina Miss India World 2018 receives a cash prize from Rajnigandha Pearls worth rupees 1 lakh. The runners-up both receive a cash prize from Rajnigandha Pearls worth rupees 50,000 each.
And now we would like to invite Jay Suresh, Managing Director and CEO, Arvind Lifestyle Brand Limited, and Vivek Bali, CEO, Sephora India, to do the honors.
FBB Colors Femina Miss India World 2018 receives a gift hamper from Sephora worth rupees 1 lakh. The runners-up both receive gift hampers from Sephora worth rupees 50,000 each. Now we would like to thank the people without whom this evening would not have been possible.
Our partners, title sponsor FBB, exclusively on Colors, co-powered by Sephora and Rajnigandha Pearls. Digital content partner Jio, footwear partner Bata, confidence partner Triumph, salon partner Natural Salon, jewelry partner Senko Gold and Diamonds, technology partner Reliance Digital, glowing skin partner Blossom Culture Aroma Magic, education partner INIFD, knowledge partner INIFD Academy of Interiors.
Travel partner Getaway Goddess, holidays for women from Cox and Kings. Vision partner Kodak Lens. Time wear partner Inara by Geo Collection. Fragrance partner Ulrich de Werens.
Fitness partner Giselle, hygiene partner Be Safe, hydration partner Wild Water, music partner T-Series, radio partner Radio Mirchi, multiplex partner Carnival Cinemas, outdoor partner Bright Outdoor Media Private Limited, beverage partners Living Liquids and Ultra, hospitality partner Renaissance Mumbai, ground production Dome Entertainment Private Limited, venue partner Dome at NSCI SVP Stadium, expert and panelists.
FBB collection by Pankaj and Nidhi, skincare expert Dr. Twacha, grooming expert Dr. Blossom Kochar,
creative director of the show Ritika Bajaj, scriptwriter Abbas Dalal and Mariam Pardawala, technical direction and stage management On Cue Productions, event directed and managed by Cineyog International Entertainment Private Limited, pageant coverage Zoom TV, television and web series Time Studio.
आज की इस खूबसूरत शाम को अपना वक्त और मुस्कान का तोहफा देने के लिए शुक्रिया.
We will be back next year, ladies and gentlemen. Good night, good luck, sleep tight, Shubh Ratri, Shabba Khair.